To begin the project, let's first up install Hydrogen to our project by npm init hydrogen-app at latest. Enter it and wait for it until the command prompt gives us an option to give what the project name will be. Wait for a minute. Now it has finished loading up. For the project name, we will give it the title like for this project that is no devil modification. Just what we are trying to do right now. After finishing up building the project, we can see the commands that is provided to us. That is, we need to change the directory and install the necessities on the project. cd snow devil modification to change the directory, and npm install legacy dash peer dash tabs. Enter. Wait for a second, it will be quite long. And after finishing up, we need to run this to view the project on our browser. Type npm run dev and wait for it until it gives you an address. Now we can see that to view it, we need to go to localhost 3000, copy the address, and get back to the browser and type or paste localhost 3000. Enter it and wait for it to load up. If it hasn't yet finished the loading, it will only show the title of the shop on top of the browser that is no devil, like what we're seeing today. After it finished loading up, we can see the starter storefront. It has the collection, and it can show you what is the connected storefront right now. That is Snow Devil store that is created by Shopify. And it has two collections for the Snow Devil shop, that is Freestyle collection and Backcountry Snowboards. This is the featured collection, that is the Freestyle. And let's change the configuration for Tailwind. Copy up this code. Copy it. And go to tailwind.config.js. Select all and override it. Let's give spaces to our code to tidy up the code a little. Give a spacing here too. Give a spacing here. Also on below the const thread. And on the module exports. Give a tap, save it, and see what changes that it will make to our project. To see it, go back to our browser and go to the Hydrogen app. Now we can see the difference. It has now a rounded corner on the boxes. That is, it used to be a square-shaped box before, now it has curves. And that's it for adding the Tailwind configuration to our project. For the next video, we will change the header.